Welcome to our Home Makeover Masterclass, where we'll help you transform your living space with DIY decor tips and tricks. Let's start with the basics of interior design. Understanding color theory can help you create the right mood in your rooms. Also, remember to balance your furniture and open space for a spacious and functional room. Now, let's move on to room-specific decor. Your living room is where you entertain guests, so make it comfortable and inviting. Your bedroom is your sanctuary. Add a touch of coziness with DIY upholstered headboards or hand-sewn pillowcases. A home makeover doesn't have to be expensive. Repurpose old furniture or shop second-hand for unique decor pieces. Ready to get hands-on? Try wall stenciling to create beautiful patterns on your walls. Or weave your own rugs from old t-shirts or fabric scraps for a personal touch. Stay inspired by following home decor blogs, magazines, and joining DIY workshops. With these DIY decor tips and tricks, you're well on your way to creating a home that's both beautiful and uniquely yours. Ready to unlock your home's potential? Grab your copy of our comprehensive ebook and begin your home makeover journey today.